Hey, what's up? Jixer here. Are you looking for important messenger chats that may or may not be deleted already? I recently went through this myself, so I thought I'd share some helpful tips that actually worked for me. In this video, I will show you the 2 different methods I have tried to restore deleted chats on Facebook Messenger. Let's go. Before you turn to deeper recovery methods, start with the archive folder. Sometimes chats get archived instead of deleted, so it's worth checking. If you don't already know, Messenger's archive is a special folder where you can store conversations you don't want from your main inbox. To check, tap the 3-line menu above the Messenger app and head over to the archive folder. Then scroll through the list, or use the search bar to find the sender's name. When you find it, simply swipe left on the chat and click Unarchive to save it back to your main inbox. On the other hand, if the chat isn't on the archive folder, it may still be available on another device where you're signed in. Maybe the chat is out of sync on your current device. Sometimes Messenger doesn't sync properly across all devices due to things like bad internet, low storage, or random software bugs. That means the chat could still be on an old phone, tablet, or even your computer. If you already know which devices you're signed into, check them immediately. Otherwise, here's how to find out. From the menu tab on Facebook, click the gear icon above and open the Accounts Center configuration page. Navigate to Password and Security. Look for the Security Checks section and tap Where you're logged in. Now, check out the active devices one at a time if you can, and see if the missing chat is still there. You can also try enabling flight mode, which temporarily disables all wireless communication, including syncing. Unfortunately, if neither of these methods work, it's likely that the chat is permanently deleted. In this case, you should know that there are no other possible solutions to retrieve them, regardless of what some other online sources claim. Facebook has made it very clear that once you delete any information, including messages, it's also removed from their servers, thus making recovery impossible. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.